it may be summer in my backyard because I'm still not sure about people. Strutting to the mailbox. Let me not forget my wine. Hey, neighbor.
Hit it.
Well, hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by Julia Hair. They would kind of send me another unit to review for you guys. It is also SipnSlay, and let me tell you, your girl is nursing this drink. I'm still drinking on, oh, let me take that back. I'm still sipping on this Black Girl Magic Rosé because Stella Rosa got me spoiled, okay? I'm used to simple and sweet with a little bit of kick, but the real one, got your girl, suck it on the thumb. I gotta get it together, okay? But I'm determined to finish this bottle this weekend, so I'm gonna do it, okay? You hear me? Finish her. But anyway, if you want to see the install of this unit and how I got it to look like this, there was no heat used on my unit. That's right, heatless curls to the rescue, okay? So make sure you stay tuned for that install. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. We have fun over here, okay? Follow us. Do it. Peer pressure. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Let me lay it on the line. I got a little freakiness inside. And you know that a man has got to deal with it. I don't care what they say. I'm not about to pay nobody's way. Cause it's all about the dog in me. I want a freak in the morning, a freak in the evening. Just like me. With me, brother, that can satisfy me. Just for me, if you are that kind of man. Cause I'm that kind of girl. I got a freaky secret everybody's saying. Cause we don't give a damn about a thing. Cause I will be a freak until the day, until the dawn. And we can all through the night to the early morn. The morning I will take you around the hood on a gangster league. Cause we can, any time of day, it's all good for me. Keep it up, now there you go. That's just one thing that a man must do. I'm packing all the flavor you need. I got you shook up on your knees. Cause it's all about the dog in me. I want a freak in the morning, a freak in the evening. Just like me. That can satisfy me. Just for me, if you are that kind of man. Cause I'm that kind of girl. Got a freaky secret, everybody thinks we don't give a damn about a thing.
That wine kicking in already. I told y'all, that real wine don't be playing, okay? So like I said, this unit comes to us from Julia Hair. It is their bouncy curly human hair lace front wig. It comes in this ombre color and the starting price for this unit is $80. Now depending on the specs you get for your unit, the price can go up. This unit does come in, I believe, 1 or 2 other colors. I know it comes in a natural color. I think it comes in like a 1B30 if I'm not mistaken, but I know for sure it comes in a natural color. So if you don't like the ombre, you can get the natural color, okay? It also comes in 14 to 26 inches and 150% density. I did choose the ombre color and I got this unit in 20 inches and my unit is just under $200 at $199.20. That 80 cents matters to some people, okay? I know it does to me, especially when it comes to that shipping, and that shipping is a little bit, it matters, okay? It matters, trust me. This unit comes with a 13x4 lace frontal, so 13 inches from ear to ear, 4 inches deep, a parting space here in the middle. It also comes with the 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. If you want to wear this unit glueless, you can double cross the straps in the back to kind of make it more snug to your head. But I decided to go ahead and spray mine down for the look that I was going for because I knew I was going to pin mine up later because I do plan on wearing this for the rest of the day. Okay, who am I? Normally, I do not rock with this color as heavy as I am right now because I can never get the hairline and the parting space to look right on me. When it comes to this color on my skin tone, okay, boop, boop, the hairline and the parting space normally blends in way too much. So normally I would use my concealer shade, you know, for my skin tone to go in with my parting space to kind of brighten it up. But because the hair is like, you know, almost the same color as my skin tone, the parting space wouldn't really stand out. So I used a concealer that was 1 to 2 shades lighter in my parting space to make that parting space pop out. So definitely go in with your lighter concealer as well as pluck your parting space of this unit. A clinched up parting space for this unit is not going to look the greatest. Trust me on this. I have done this, okay? I have done this. Pluck it, okay? And that seems to have done the trick. Little things like that will take a unit from here to here, okay? Elevation. I did use my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner as always to wash and condition my hair. Right out the gate though, I did get some tangling and what looked like some matting towards the end here, but just work that through with your fingers just a little bit and that comes right out. That did lead to some shedding for my unit, so be mindful of that. And then I went in with my Felicia Leatherwood brush to detangle at the end, get that product through there. As far as the curls are concerned, I did not use no heat on this joint. If you watched the install, you saw what I did. These fingers got to twirling, okay? I let the unit air dry under my ceiling fan in my living room, and y'all, the hair dried down so fluffy. It's so fluffy! Ooh, yes, okay, it dried down so fluffy and soft. If you want more of the wet look, definitely go ahead with your water, your conditioner, your mousse, get that going. I wanted more of a dry, bouncy, curly, full, bushy type of look. Get them bars going. Who am I? This wine got me on 100, Lord. As you saw my put down, I did go in and pluck through my hairline just a little bit because even though it does come with like a pre-plucked hairline, it was still kind of blocky around here just a smidge. If I want to do like a little pin-up action to the back, okay, get it to the back, get it to the back, get it to the back. This is definitely giving me beach babe, okay, beach babe ready for the summer. It may be summer in my backyard because I'm still not sure about people. Strutting to the mailbox, let me not forget my wine. Hey neighbor, I'm gonna give the looks, y'all. I'm gonna give the looks to the front and to the back. She looking like a whole snack. Ooh, this wine gave me bars. Okay, oh, and hair on my chest, goodness gracious. Is this a unit that you would rock for yourself? Again, if you don't want to spend the coin for the 20-inch, shop in your budget, get a shorter length. Okay, it's giving me the looks. Yes, yes. But that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Julia Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put my specs and the direct link for this unit down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.